Hello, my name is Stephen Barnes. I'm the CEO of Common Sense Business Systems Inc., the inventor of the 4D email management methodology for Microsoft Outlook, and the developer of Orla, the easy-to-learn, logical and intuitive program that helps you to save up to 2 hours each day. If you are already familiar with the key functionality of Orla Express, namely the 4D method of managing your work, the use of your calendar and your taskpad, and the Orla closeout screen, you will no doubt be wondering just how Orla can enhance your productivity even further. Surely, you may be asking, you can't top all of that. Well, we can, and we have. Enterprise Orla takes you to the next level of super improved personal efficiency by giving you the ability to manage your outgoing email activity much more productively, allowing you to manage your relationships more effectively, and providing you with a personal project management capability which is both simple in design and really easy to use.
Enterprise Orla also includes the functionality that you see in Orla Express as standard, and 3 specific additional features which go to make up significantly improved personal productivity. So just to recap, the features and functionality that you see in Orla Express are the 4Ds to manage your email, the composition of your calendar and your taskpad side by side, so that you get a complete overview of all of the work that you're going to do, and of course the Orla closeout screen, which is the handling of emails at the point of having organized piece of work, having 4D'd your email. So the additional functionality that you see inside Enterprise Orla is as follows. The first is a feature called T-Mail, and T-Mail is found here under New Work, which gives you the ability to send template mails out to people. These are the kind of emails that you're sending on a regular basis. So for example, if I want to just send this standard email out to somebody, all I need to do is click that option and it's been preset for me and I can send it out. Alternatively, if I wish to send another type of email, I can send this one. So I can build up my templates over time and use this functionality to make my outgoing mail that much more effective. In addition, you can use the template mail capability when you are replying to emails. So let's say in this case, this particular email, someone's asking me to do something in a hurry, so I choose deal as normal, reply, and then I get the option to structure my response. So I can select email, tell this person I'm going to reply within 24 hours, and then you'll see that the response has been automatically added and I can send it out. So it's a very quick and effective way of structuring my outgoing emails. In the same way, there is this feature which gives you the opportunity to begin to structure your email. So let's say I'm going to send this email out to somebody and I want request permission to send file to John, and I want to indicate by when I expect to have this date completed, this permission completed. It can either be today, so I need the answer today, it can be tomorrow, or it can be at a later date. So I can include all of that there. Click next. So what has happened here is that my subject line has been properly structured so that when the recipient of this email receives it, they'll have a clear indication of what is expected of them and by when. So that's the fundamental T-mail feature. The second additional feature of Enterprise Orla is the recognition that people have a need to manage their relationships better. So we've developed what we call the Orla Personal CRM, which we've built into Microsoft Outlook Contacts, which gives you the ability to do some things such as obviously capture all of your information in relation to this person. You can capture comments in relation to this person and have them recorded here. You can bring in resources here using the file with an existing feature, and you have the ability to go and associate a specific folder directly to wherever you wish to save files in relation to this particular person. And so using this capability, you have the ability to sort of use the mini CRM as a sort of a clearinghouse on all of the information that you would necessarily wish to manage in relation to your relationships, and do that in a better way. Similarly, you can send this person an email, or you can create a task in relation to this person, or you can schedule an appointment in relation to this person. And by entering all of these work activities through this form, you can come to your activities section, and then you can track all the work items that you've done in relation to this person. And I'll demonstrate this when I show you the personal projects capability. So that's the mini CRM. So here we have a way to manage all of the personal projects, and these are small projects unique to yourself, individual to yourself. These are not enterprise-wide projects. And here I have, for example, a personal project that I'm managing in relation to the new church roof, and here I can store all my, and particularly in relation to things that I'm going to want to have close to hand that relate to this project. I don't need to store all my emails in here, but one or two sort of what I call the crown jewels or the love letter type emails can be stored in here. And all of the associated documents that relate to this, I can just click here and drill straight through and find where I've saved all of those related documents. Obviously I can capture my comments, which I can do here. And let's say, for example, I want to send all the recipients an email. I'm going to send that. And I want to create a task in relation to this. Tomorrow. Next. Save the task. And I want to schedule an appointment. All of these work items will be entered onto my diary. But now what I wish to do is to track all the activities that I've done in relation to this particular project, and Orla will then look through and identify all of those discrete items from within my data file. You can see it's searching here now. As it looks through, it will begin to create an audit trail of all of those individual work activities. So there we have it. All of the associated items with that particular project. For example, oops, I can't open that one. There's the task. There's the appointment. And that's the personal projects.